To delete purchase history on the Walmart app, start by opening the app on your device and signing in to your account. Once you are signed in, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, select the option that says Account. This will take you to your account page where you can view and manage your account information, including your purchase history. On the account page, scroll down and select the option that says Purchase History. This will take you to a list of all your past purchases made through the Walmart app. To delete a purchase from your history, find the purchase you want to delete and swipe left on it. You will see a delete button appear. Tap on this button to remove the purchase from your history. If you want to delete your entire purchase history, you may need to contact Walmart customer service as this option is not available in the app. You can do this by calling the customer service number or by using the in-app support feature. It is also important to note that deleting your purchase history may not remove the records of your purchases from Walmart's system. It will only remove them from your view in the app. Additionally, deleting your purchase history may affect your ability to return or exchange items. So make sure you have a record of your purchases elsewhere before deleting them. By following these steps, you can easily delete your purchase history on the Walmart app and keep your account information private. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of the app before making any changes to your account.